We are at P.Terry's today. I already ate out today for lunch. I don't have anything to eat. I didn't have a choice. I went to the kebab shop, left Mediterranean food. We're gonna order. Hi, can I get the number 2 combo, please?
Okay, and did you want everything on the cheeseburger?
Yes, and can I add some jalapenos on there?
And jalapenos.
Yes.
Fries and what kind of drink?
Can I get a Diet Dr. Pepper?
Diet Dr. Pepper, okay. Anything else?
No, that'll be everything.
Okay, comes out to $8.98 for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm feeling yummy. I'm so excited because I look you really want fries. Oh, I got a Diet Dr. Pepper. I shouldn't have done that. Dang it. Now I'm gonna be caffeinated. I'm not supposed to drink caffeine after like 3 p.m. because it lasts for like, oh, I guess from like after 4 p.m. because it lasts like 6 hours. Yeah, that I've realized that it's no bueno. It's not good for me. Anyways, how's everyone's doing today? Today is August 14. It's currently 7 p.m. It is Wednesday. I got off of work today. I just finished my syllabus. It's so funny. Work was great. I saw all of my besties. I saw Miss Q, I saw Vasquez, I saw Ms. Rodriguez, Emma, I saw Dina, which I hadn't seen Dina in a few years, so that was really nice because she works for another school. But Nat made me this super cute bracelet because she works at the Domain for this bracelet place. I already have the sister one that I have with my sister. We have matching bracelets. And then this one is just so pretty. Like the color combination is just gorge. It's gorgeous. You know what I mean? It's so pretty. I just uploaded a nighttime skincare routine to my YouTube today. So that one was really fun. I didn't expect to like get it all done in like, I think I got it done in like 36 minutes and I cut it down to 33. So I did pretty good. Like I didn't have to do too much editing on that one. So that was really nice. I brought Ivy with me because she's been pretty locked up for a while now. And I felt really bad just leaving her today at home. So she's with me. But yeah. I'm excited and nervous. There's a lot that I still have to do to prepare for work, but we will get there surely but surely. Surely? You know what? I don't know what I was gonna say. Tomorrow's my dad's birthday, and then my sister's birthday is Saturday. So I am planning on leaving Saturday morning. So I'm really excited for it. I also got my sister birthday presents from K-pop store. This K-pop stand in Hana World Market, so I am really excited to give them their gifts. I think I got them like 3 things. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh. Do you want a treat?
Yeah.
Hi, so cute. Sorry.
No,
I'm
you're good.
excited. Hi, I know you're a baby. I know you're a baby. Can you fetch him?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Just trying to hide it.
Yeah. It's so funny. Ivy loves to hide the bones. Oh, thank you. Thank you, you too. Alright, Porky. Hold on, I really want this. Ah, Jesus, sir. I was gonna take that parking spot. What do we do? Hold on, guys. Hold on. I will see you all in a little bit. Okay, well, I was gonna take that other parking spot, but someone got in my way. Don't know who he was, but should have walked faster. Anyways, here we are. We have parked. We are ready to eat. Commence the music. Alright, so we got a number 2, a cheeseburger. The double cheeseburger is delicious. I highly recommend a side of sauce. I forgot to get sauce. Love their fries. Their fries are really good. I can't remember if they're salty though. They're not. That's right. But they're so thin and they're so crispy. But at the same time, están aguaditas. Like they're still soft. Like, you know when you eat a McDonald's fry on the inside and it's soft? This is what that reminds me of. But they're thin. I don't know, it's just good. Love P.Terry's. Ivy loves fries, so I do have to give her some here and there. We usually share fries, which I typically don't mind. Because she is my babe. Usually at the house, she's like very vocal. She's very sassy. When I tell people I have a dog, I'm like, oh yeah, she's like a golden retriever mix. She's cute. She's like fun size. She's very vocal. She's very sassy. And everyone's like, golden retrievers are not sassy. I'm like, yeah, I think she learned that from me. But oh well. I'm the first lady of Juicy Couture. I need to stop singing that song, but it's so good. Don't you just like when you like the song and then you forgot about it and then you listen to it again and you're like, ooh, this was a banger? Same. Alright, so we got our I like P.Terry. I should compare P.Terry's and In-N-Out because they're both smash burgers. So the carne, the burger meat is really thin. And also shortstop. Shortstop's really good. But yeah. Isn't she pretty? I love when I get a good pretty burger. You know what I mean? I should have asked for extra sauce. It's so good. Alright, so we got lettuce. I see nothing else. Ooh, tomato, lettuce, sauce, cheese, and our patty. I also have jalapenos. I don't see them. Oh, I guess we'll see if I taste them. I don't see them. I just see the lettuce. First lady and Juicy Couture. They do have jalapenos. They're chopped up into pieces. But if you've never been to the kebab shop is like a Hala Bros. It's so good. I feel bad when she watches me eat a fry. I'm the first lady. Sorry, that's all you're gonna hear in this video. I apologize. I know, I've been craving a burger for a while now. I feel bad that I didn't get the double cheeseburger. Like, that sounds so good right now. I think because I just want like another piece of carne. But what I recommend you for sure, double cheeseburger, grilled onions. I didn't get them today because I just didn't want to smell cebolla again. Grilled onions, the jalapenos, extra side of sauce. I will say I have not had their lemonade in a really long time. Like Chick-fil-A's top tier. Cane's is really good lemonade too. Who else has lemonade? At Whataburger I get sweet tea. I don't think they have lemonade. Can't burp. It's a little spicy. Where did I put? Oh. I will say I do have to talk to my dad. I messed up. I was supposed to get an oil change. I have Toyota Care, so I get oil changes and tire rotations and like all of this stuff for free, and I had to go this week. It's Wednesday and I was supposed to go today. I was supposed to call Monday, make the reservation for it for today, and I forgot. I completely forgot. So I was like, dang it. This is so good. I don't know, guys, I'm going. I also don't let her touch my fingers when I'm giving her Sprice. I don't think I give her fries with ketchup either, so I'm just eating the ones that have ketchup on top. I love how easy these are to hold. Oh, so anyways, I can't do it tomorrow because tomorrow I have therapy. I had to switch my therapy time, which is fine. But now I'm like, do I go Friday? I'm like, dang, I really don't want to take it on Friday. But I have to leave early Saturday morning, and I need to hit it an oil change in like less than 100 miles, so I don't want to take it 200 miles that way and come back 200 miles, and that's not including all the miles I'm gonna drive to around town when we go back home for my sister's birthday. So you see the dilemma? I only got Friday, so I don't know why I need to tell my dad about that, but I guess I also want him to know. My dad is turning, drum roll please, 61. 51. You know what? I don't know. I'll ask him. I forgot. How did I forget? No, my dad's turning 51. There's no way he was 60, sorry. My dad and my mom are like 5 years apart. So I just did the math. The math was not mathing there. My dad's 51. Maybe I should put it on a napkin, huh? But then she might eat the napkin. And just give her fries. On the napkin. So I let myself sleep in because on Saturday I had to be at work before 8:45. And then on Tuesday I had to be at work before 8:30 which is insane. But I got her done. You okay? Honestly though, like, it's crazy. Imagine being a dog and you can't even use your fingers. Like, that's so weird, right? Or like, you can't even say like, oh, my head hurts, I'm thirsty. Well, she tells me when she's hungry and thirsty. But just like, imagine having that mindset. Like, it's trippy. I've seen a lot of people do the sweet bean. What's her name? I don't know how you say it. But you like eat fast like her. I don't think I could do that. Not in a bad way. I just can't. What else is new in my life? Nothing. What is there to say? Nothing. I will say, I think I am gonna put out a short video Monday night before everyone goes to school on Tuesday. Like I mentioned in my past video, so stay tuned for that one. I am really sad that I did not get extra sauce. I don't like having people parked in front of me, which is why I wanted to reverse park in the other parking lot. My tongue's on fire with jalapenos. Not too spicy. It's good though. See, I feel like I like serranos more better than jalapenos. That's just me though. Tell me what you think. What are better, jalapenos or serranos? And don't you dare say that there's no difference, because there is a difference. Ay, perdón. She wants to eat too. At Kane, sometimes I get her extra fries, because I know she likes them. To film what I eat in a week. Because I feel like that might just help me out a little bit. I won't show the cooking process. I'll just show me eating. Because I feel like I don't always want to record myself cooking, which I don't really do often on my videos. But I feel like I would like someone, like I feel like y'all would like me making homemade pizza, which, yeah, there's like a few things I feel like y'all would enjoy. And I also saw Miss Rodriguez last Saturday for her birthday. We had a birthday breakfast at Snooze. If you've never been to Snooze, I highly recommend it. Very good breakfast place. I would use Yelp, the app, because sometimes it's good to put yourself on a wait list online, and then when you show up, it's like, oh, your table will be ready in 5 minutes, instead of being there and it's like, oh, your table will be ready in an hour because everybody wants to eat at the same time. I highly suggest you look into it. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've ever had P.Terry's, please let me know what your order is. Amber used to get the chicken sandwich with American cheese and pepper jack cheese and something else, and add bacon and add this, and I always wanted to try her order, but since Pookie Bear is all the way in California, I don't know when I'll ever try her order. But let me know what your favorite P.Terry's order is. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. Even if it's just a regular cheeseburger and some jalapenos. Fries are great, not super salty, but they are so perfectly paired with the ketchup. I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone. Say bye, Amy.